Good morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. This morning we are waking up in beautiful Souk, British Columbia, out here on Vancouver Island. In our previous videos, we were up in Ucluelet, so if you missed those, definitely hop back and check those out after today's video. But today we have some adventures planned. Unfortunately, the weather seems to be just not in our favor this week. So that could put a little bit of a wrench in our plans, but because these adventures are more so focused on like caves and waterfalls and things like that, we're not really too concerned. I think we're still gonna be able to check everything off our bucket list. So you'll find out whether that is possible right along with us. But yeah, fingers crossed that it's not a problem because yeah, beautiful scenery in store for you guys. I can't wait to share it. So if you've not already hit that like and subscribe button, definitely do it. I post new travel content every single Sunday. But for now, let's just get this rainy day adventure started. Todos, ready for a rainy walk?
Ready.
Rain never stops us. So we started our day at Sombrio Beach, specifically on the hunt for a hidden cave waterfall. And although we did have some instructions to follow, we quickly found ourselves in some deep mud after going the wrong way from the very start. After finding our bearings though, we made our way to the beach and down to the cave, where we were two of only 4 people on the beach that were actually there to even see it. From Sombrio, we made our way to the China Beach parking area, about 30 minutes away, and began an incredibly muddy trek to Mystic Beach. Honestly, if this trail hadn't been so well marked on the trees, I think that we probably would have been completely lost from the very start, as the mud and the water made it incredibly difficult to see what was trail and what wasn't, but the views were still beautiful, and the hike, while very wet, was also very worth it. And we are back in the car from our Mystic Beach hike. I will say that one was a bit more treacherous than Sombrio, mostly because of the trail conditions and just how like wet it was. Not just today, but I imagine like previous days, it was just a muddy mess. Fun adventure heading down. On the way back, it was a bit more of just kind of like frustrating and muddy, but all in all, definitely worth it. There are two places that you can park that we know of to do this trail. The official parking lot here at China Beach, and then it's about a 2-kilometer trail hike to Mystic Beach. And then there's also what looks to be like unofficial parking at the halfway mark up on the road close to a bridge. If I can find a link to that location, I'll leave it down below. Not an official parking place, and like not tons of room to park there, so like use your own discretion, but there were people parked there, and the trail from that spot down was definitely not as rough. So if you're coming especially like in more rainy conditions, that would be my recommendation. And then most definitely for all of these hikes, like good grippy boots are required. I was thinking like, what would my life have been today with just regular like sneakers or waterproof sneakers or whatever? Not advised. But all in all, really good day despite the weather, and also like helps that it's not cold rain. So time of year that we're here, it's definitely a bit warmer, which really helps to make the adventures a lot more fun than treacherous feeling. So yeah, that's really gonna be it for me for today. I'll leave you guys here with that. But if you are interested in more Vancouver Island and West Coast content, definitely hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. I post new travel content every single Sunday, and I'll leave some links to some other videos from the area in the description down below for you to check out. And yeah, until I see you guys in the next video, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you then. Bye.